Okay, you guys, I am back. So let's put this chicken salad together, you guys. I have all my ingredients, and I would like for you guys to see the ingredients that I am using tonight for this delicious chicken salad my way. It's just the way I like it. I know how to cook it the regular way, make it the regular way, and my style. So let's get this salad going, y'all. I want y'all to see the ingredients that I'm using. Here's the chicken that I am using that I had bought from Walmart. It was two. I had bought two rotisserie chicken, and I had cut the chicken and chopped it up into small pieces. You guys. Here is my seasoning that I am using. I have 2 tablespoons of sugar. I have here a half a teaspoon of pepper, a half a teaspoon of Lorry. You guys, and that's all the ingredients, seasoning that I am going to use for this chicken. Look at Walmart bell pepper, you guys. The bell peppers don't shrunk, y'all. Here is my onions, my bell peppers, corn, eggs, my bacon that I am going to add in, and I am also using some celery too, you guys. So let's put this delicious salad together, okay? Okay, you guys, let's go ahead on and add the ingredients in. Let's see. Let's start with the onions. Let's get the onions on over in there. Let's start with the bell peppers. We'll go ahead and add the bell peppers on in. So this is like a cup and a half a cup of bell peppers. You might run out, you guys. Okay, we'll add the celery on in. Put the celery in. And that's all I'm gonna say. I don't want to leave nothing behind. Okay. Let's add the egg. This is the bacon, you guys. We're gonna put the bacon on in there. The eggs. This is 6 eggs, you guys. 6 eggs. I am using. This is 1 can of corn. Which is butter corn, you guys. I had cooked this corn, add a little butter and black pepper and a little sugar in there, so to get the salad up delicious. I didn't want my corn to be just plain, so I cooked it and so it gives the salad a good flavor. Okay, so let's go ahead on and add the seasoning in here. I don't use celery with this dish, you guys. Now, if I was just making a plain chicken salad, yeah, I would use celery. But this particular salad, I'm not going to use sweet celery. Okay, dill pickle. I am going to use Hellmann's mayonnaise. You guys, I like this. And I don't like Miracle Whip. Some people do. A lot of people do. It's just something about that taste, Miracle Whip. I just don't like that mayonnaise. I never liked it. I never liked that mayonnaise. I could never ever get with that taste, you guys. It just, if I had to eat a sandwich with that, I just wouldn't eat it. It's a horrible taste to me. Just to me, I just don't like it. But a lot of people loves it. You know, they love, love. it just a good stir. I like to pull from the bottom and pull up, y'all. This is a very delicious salad. I know I'm gonna need a little bit more mayo. I just wanted to get that little bit in there. And I'm gonna add some ranch in here too. What is this? Okay. And I'll put a little bit more mayo. I'm gonna add a little ranch in here, y'all. We got plenty of dressing and mayo in here now. I don't need to put no more. There's a delicious chicken salad. Okay, you guys, I am finished with this delicious chicken salad, you guys. Don't it look good? I am finished with it. Okay, you guys, y'all be blessed and talk to you later.